Hey, what's up everybody, it's Kyle, and in this video, I want to go over the latest stimulus news for the second stimulus proposal coming. It's been about a week since I made my last stimulus video, and I got massive response and a lot of questions, so I want to address some of them in this video here. Now, you're going to want to watch this video all the way to the end because I have some news at the end of the video regarding the second stimulus and information where you will find the status of your payment, as well as some information of whether or not you will receive the stimulus, the first stimulus or the second, if you are on SSI, Social Security Income, because I got a lot of questions about this in the comment section on my last video. Now, I'm not going to be making videos all the time on the stimulus like a lot of people are on YouTube. I'm only going to make them when there's actually news to report. I don't really want to make my channel all about this, but I will make a video when there's actual news to report or new things coming out or new information that I feel like you must know about. Okay, but before we go into everything, I want to ask you a couple quick things. Quick. Smash the like button below. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate it. I got 65,000 likes. No, sorry, 65,000 views. That's funny. But I want to get 65,000 likes on this video. No, I got about 5,000 likes on the last video. But let's beat that. Let's get 6,000 likes. That's what I'm going for this video. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. So if you want to keep seeing me post videos like this, just do that, as well as subscribe if you have not done so already, and hit the notification bell so you'll get notifications every time I post a new video, which is very often these days, as well as follow me on Instagram because I post there pretty much daily, so you will get other aspects of my life as well. Now, I have two links below. One is for Robinhood. It's to get a free stock, and if you sign up, it's a really easy app to use. If you're not investing in stocks, it's always a good time to do it. I don't care what age you are, so sign up for that. You'll get a free stock, as well as a link for Acorns, which is an awesome little app actually. I am a member of it myself, so I wouldn't promote anything that I don't do myself. This will round up your electronic change. If you use credit cards and you link it up, it will basically take and round to the nearest dollar and automatically save it for you. And you can also prompt it to save some more extra if you would like, and you can see how much that your potential savings will earn in the future. And of course, it's always better to start earlier, so just go down and check those out and get your free $5 when you subscribe and sign up for Acorns. Okay, so the latest stimulus news. Last week, I did a video on the HEROES Act being passed by the House of Representatives and going to the Senate for approval and for a vote. Now, I know this, first of all, this video pretty much went viral. It had about 60,000 views in a couple days. Now, some people at the end, most people thanked me. They were great. Some people were a little pissed because they realized that it wasn't totally passed yet, and then it just went to the Senate, and they don't think that it'll get passed by the Senate so that it won't become law and yada yada. Anyway, the thing that I'm doing here is I am actually giving you an update on certain things that have happened. It has not been passed yet. I will just tell you that right off the bat. There is no second stimulus, but I will give you the updates of what is happening. Okay, first, from an article from CNBC, you will see, I will post it right here. You can see that the second round of stimulus could be coming, but it could take weeks to come to you. Now, this is because it's based on the federal tax returns, like the first stimulus package was. However, if you have not gotten your 2019 taxes in yet, do so immediately, because the deadline for the taxes have been moved. Usually they're April 15th. Now they're moved to July 15th because of the pandemic. But your tax return, the government will look at your 2018 tax returns. So if you made more in 2018 than you did in 2019, you should definitely go to quickly get your taxes filed and in for 2019 so that you can possibly receive a bigger stimulus benefit than you would be getting if the government just looks at your 2018 federal income taxes. So real quickly, key points to this HEROES Act are: Any individual earning under $75,000 or less gets $1,200 stimulus check. If you are a married couple filing jointly, you can earn up to $150,000 or less, and you'll get $2,400. Now, the benefits of this package are also your dependents will be up to $1,200, and it will max out of your family at $6,000. Now, this new proposal calls for any individual that receives under $75,000 to receive a $1,200 stimulus check, and any married couple filing jointly to receive up to $2,400 if you earn less than $150,000. Now, this will start phasing out above those numbers, and it phases out completely at individuals earning over $99,000 and over married couples earning over $198,000. It will phase out completely where you won't receive any checks. But in this stimulus, Democrats want to sweeten the deal by offering dependents $1,200 as well for up to 3 dependents, so a max of $6,000 per household is possible, as well as giving dependents 17 years of age and over $1,200, as well as non-citizens the stimulus check of $1,200 as well. So moral of the story is get your 2019 taxes in quicker, especially if your income went down from 2018, so that you will get more of a stimulus benefit and you will not be leaving more hands in your money in the hands of the government. So get it in and get your taxes filed. Now, Pelosi and the Democrats sent this stimulus bill to the Senate to be voted on. Trump has been recently quoted by saying a second round of stimulus checks will probably be needed. And as of this week, 40+ million Americans have filed for unemployment, as well as the $600 federal bump for unemployment is scheduled to stop at the end of July. Now, this bill will try to extend that until January of 2021. And 84% of Americans polled are saying that a second stimulus is needed. Now, with all of this information coming out, I feel like the government is just going to have to do something. Now, Republican Mitch McConnell, the Senate Majority Leader, who was originally quoted by saying that this HEROES Act was DOA, was dead on arrival, has now been quoted by saying that the second round of stimulus will probably be needed. Now, my guess is that the Senate will probably come up with their own version of this bill and will pass it back to the House to be voted on. So, as you know, the House and the Senate, it must pass, and then it will be sent to President Trump to be signed off on. Now, of course, the Republicans' concern is that this whole package is going to cost approximately $3 trillion, in addition to the $2.2 trillion that the original CARES Act that was passed already cost. So, however, I do think that, especially with these recent comments by Trump and by Mitch McConnell, that Republicans are starting to change their tune a little bit. So unfortunately, as of this week, the Senate, being the Senate, broke for recess without discussing the bill, which is leaving everything up in the air still. So thank you, Senate. Now, if you still haven't received your first stimulus payment, I've left a link below. You can check with the IRS. There's a link where you can check the status of your stimulus payment. So go to that, as well as you can another link for calculating the amount that you're supposed to receive. So go see that link below. And as for the SSI, which I got a lot of questions about last time, the SSI, you are supposed to automatically receive that. Now, I got that information exactly from a financial advisor, so you're supposed to automatically receive the payment for your stimulus, even if you are on SSI, and I left a link for more information below, so go check that out. So that's it. I hope you got some good information about this video. Please don't forget to smash the like button right now. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. That'll be your payment to me. I appreciate it very much. And please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any other questions. And also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notifications every time I post a new video, which is very often these days. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some guy on YouTube giving this information. And I've looked it up because of all the comments and the questions I got before. So just giving you this information. And go receive your $5 free for signing up for Acorns to automatically start saving using a credit card and as well as the Robinhood. You will get 1 free stock, so why not sign up for it? Everyone loves free stuff, so you will get 1 free stock. That's cool. And other than that, have a great day, guys, and talk to you soon.